Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. You check about this Mac for Mac OS version and current system storage so you know the scale. Once done, make a complete time machine backup or a bootable clone and verify it boots. That protects data. Next, close all apps, sign out of iCloud if you plan deep cleaning, and unplug external drives. Now, open Finder and System Settings so you can run the first disk and cache cleaning commands. You proceed to the complex middle steps, targeted removal of accumulated system files. First, remove safe log and cache files via terminal commands. Use sudo carefully and double-check paths. Then, open Storage Management to delete large files, unused apps, and mail attachments. This reduces system cached index size. If you use Time Machine, list and delete local snapshots with tmutal commands to reclaim space. Make sure to empty the trash and reboot so the system rebuilds necessary caches cleanly. You finish by rebuilding and verifying system state. Reindex Spotlight with sudo mdoodle e/so search and size reporting update accurately, and then run first aid in disk utility to fix any file system inconsistencies. After reboot, check about this Mac to confirm reclaimed space. If needed, repeat targeted cache removals. If system storage reappears, suspect app snapshots, or a runaway process, use sudo tmutal listLocale snapshots and activity monitor to identify culprits. The troubleshooting tip is to restore from your verified backup if repairs fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.